Hi, good afternoon. My name is Mr. Kopp and I am the Head of Economics at the Gryphon, and I am here to explain to you a little bit about the course and the makeup of the A-level course so that it can help you decide whether this is the course for you. Well, the course is split into two halves: microeconomics, taught by Mr. Lawson, and I teach the macro side, so you'll have just us two teachers. Mr. Lawson's side looks at how markets function and solving problems from obesity to climate change, from energy and prices to healthcare and healthcare provision. I, on the other hand, do the whole economy stuff, the stuff about unemployment, inflation, trade and exchange rates, and basically how the economy works. Well, it's a good time to be an economist. The subject's always changing, and you'll find, if you do A-level, you'll find it highly relevant. There's lots going on in the world, and we want to explore loads of those issues. You'll find it's challenging and academic. You'll find that it combines really nicely with history, politics, geography, philosophy. It's a kind of mixture. It's full of debate, it's discursive, and it's well regarded by universities. And I'd like you to think of it as a problem-solving subject, where we look at the world's problems and we try and provide a solution through the microcosm of what is economics. Well, here is a slide just to give you, if you want to find it, you can look on the websites and find all the stuff about the syllabus. You might find that helpful to look at all the topics we study. Here's a few just to give you a bit of sort of whet your appetite. We're going to discuss the economics behind climate change and the possible solutions. We'll look at the direct and discuss the impact of the UK housing market on our economy and the degree to which it affects inequality. We'll certainly be taking a good look at the impact and fallout from COVID. And although hopefully COVID will be over by the time your course starts, we will see what the impact is and what the solutions and the effects of that pandemic have had on our economy. We'll be considering Brexit and trade deals, and we'll be looking at perhaps Trump's trade war with China and what's been the effect on the US and Chinese economies, but also our own. Now, how's the subject assessed? Well, 3 papers, 2 hours each. Paper 1 and 2 are similar. The mark schemes for data response are 40 marks altogether, of which you have a 2 mark, a 4 mark, a 9 mark, and 25 mark style questions. Many candidates think from GCSE that's a big jump. It is a bit of a big jump, and there is lots of writing. So you need to be comfortable with writing and explaining your ideas on paper. Paper 3 is a combination of multi-choice. There's 30 questions there, and then another data response, and it combines the whole syllabus. So it's worth 10, 15 and 25 marks the questions there. Just 3 questions, and we will help you. Our job is to help you learn how to do those long answer questions and explain your ideas clearly. Here's some results for the department over the last 3 years. You can see they're outstanding, and so we'll be setting high expectations for you, and I hope you'll come with high expectations of yourself. How much maths is there? Not a lot. GCSE should be fine, but you need to be numerate and you should be comfortable with the numbers, and there's plenty of graphs, so you want to be comfortable with those. What subjects does it go with? Well, as I've said, the social sciences, history, geography, politics, philosophy, all really good. Okay, but it goes really well with maths and physics and the science subjects too. So it really is right in the middle there and is well regarded. Can I do it at a university without an A-level? You can, but it might be worth looking at that carefully first. And what careers is it useful for? Well, a wide range. I think it's more the skills of an economist and the abilities to explain ideas and communicate complex ideas that are most important. But if you're interested in business, finance, marketing, then clearly those are careers for which you might follow. So is it for you? Well, some questions to consider, and I really highlight that first one. Are you interested in what's going on in the world, discussing those different views, solutions and problems and what's causing things, taking an interest in the world around you? If you are, this might be the subject for you. Am I prepared to deal with the numeracy and the literacy issues? I hope so. And we will certainly be challenging you and making you think. So I hope this is helpful, and I hope it gives you a bit of an idea of the sorts of topics and areas that the subject covers. Please come and see me if you need any further information or email me. Many thanks.